Rick, it's Kevin here. Thought I'd show you the 3D scan. It's worked out great. I just added a few lights in here, but you can see it has a lot of detail, the texture detail. Just a little hole here in the top. Of course, it's not going to get everything exactly, but the texture really worked out well with the unit. I'll just show you too the actual material sheet. I actually created three textures, two main ones, and just to show you this is the texture scan and how it's interesting how it took the different images and created the texture maps for the unit. I'll show you here. Here's another one. Of course, we don't need any of the blue. We just need the actual color. But I thought it was pretty cool to see the texture maps along with the mesh. And I'll show you the wireframe. This is the wireframe of the object. I'm just going to save this here in the folder, in the specific folder. So I'm going to do a bunch of scans. Hopefully you have a few other scans. I'll call this pipe. And but anyways, now that I have this, I can actually delete or slice the polygon. So I'm just going to make this an edible poly just to show you here. And I'm going to go into polygon mode here, and I'm going to go into slice mode. And what I can do is actually create a slice plane along here. Just let me go into slice plane here and select all the polygons first. Slice plane, just to show you. And you can see the slice plane go along the edge here. So I'm going to slice it here and bring the slice plane over, slice it here, right about here, and then I'm going to rotate the slice plane exactly 90 degrees, and slice it to get this side done right here, and then bring it back to the rear, the rear of the pipe, I guess, if you want to call it. And what it does, it creates a grid so that we can get rid of what we don't need, the background images. So you can see the grid. So what I'm going to do is just take that, I'm just going to grow, and actually I can probably do it at the top view so I get the exact slice here. And I'm going to blow it up full screen. Here, I just thought I'd show you some of the stuff that Brad can do when we want to scan and you want to test some other prints. But anyways, this will definitely be the object. So there's deleting that. And so maybe we should have some naming conventions for, the original scan versus I guess clipped pipe. So again, if you go into shaded mode or realistic mode, you can see there's the object. Now I sliced too much, so what I'm going to do is undo that, load up the pipe. I clipped the side by accident, so I'm going to re-slice this. But anyways, I just thought I'd show you that procedure. Anyways, if you're looking at it right now, the original, it's about 39,000 polygons, almost 40,000 polygons for this. And so when you look at it, most of it is the boundary here. So if I take off this and this, and just do a quick delete here, you're looking at 19,000 polygons. And then just get rid of this, and get this, and so you're looking at 18,000 polygons for this this pipe. And one thing too, when we're done, you're gonna have a hole in the bottom, so that's why I wanted to do the slice, to make a nice clean edge around here where it's where it calculated the mesh here. I doubt I'll be able to do a loop on this, but let's just see if I can do an edge loop. I want to go into editable poly and grab edge mode and just see if I can do a loop. a ring. No, it's not going to see it. But anyways, I'll do a nice cut in there for the pattern. Anyways, that's your pipe. So we can easily 3D print that and get it out to the Ditto Pro for testing, and I'll fix some of these holes up and see what's happening. And for example, this one here, we can, you know, it's already, and this is the pipe hole. We want to leave that. It's amazing that turned out that well too. Anyways, thanks, man. Good job.